Linking a bank account on Truist is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully link your bank account. Step 1. Access the Truist website or app. Visit the Truist website or open the Truist mobile app on your device. Ensure you have your login credentials ready to access your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or management section. This is typically found in the menu or profile area of the website or app. Step 4. Select Link Bank Account. In the account settings, look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Add External Account. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 5. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter the required information for the bank account you wish to link. This may include your bank's routing number and your account number. Review the information for accuracy and submit your request. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of the linked account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Truist customer support for assistance.